You have created lots of YouTube channel when you are beginners in YouTube. You want to delete them but you don't have the idea and you are here in this video. Then you are in right place. Today I will teach you to how can you delete your YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe me for further videos. So without any late, let's start video. So first of all you have to go in youtube.com. Now click in the channel icon and go in settings. Now you can see there is an option in the bottom which is add or remove managers. Now check on the option and click and delete. Now it's done. Hoping that you like this video. I will meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.